investigation. Ano sa reaction na sana?
This is the first time that I heard about it. Let me call the OIC. Malaman ko, ask me later.
Sir.
Ngayon ko lang.
Okay.
Mayor, meron na namang mga hospital waste na gilaway sa may Gawon Street sa may Bahada aside sa Talong.
Kinsa man.
Under investigation sa
We will prosecute improper or unauthorized disposal or improper disposal of hospital waste.
Mayor, do you think kaning mga semi-financing institution sa gobyerno, sa SSS for and the likes, naagid sila yung problema in terms of pag-ulit?
Yeah, I suppose that they can. There's much room to be desired. They have to improve on naawa ko sa tao eh. Especially pera nila yan, it is withheld at source. Ibig sabihin yung sweldo namin bago magdating doon, we contribute something to para dyan sa retirement namin, which you get when you retire. But pag namatay ka, makuha mo. The problem is it's getting very hard for the beneficiaries to get their money on time.
Have you encountered the same nature of problem?
Many
sa City
times
Hall?
I said I'm pissed off. Talaga ako sa mga ganun. So that's why I said in passing, not really a warning, but maybe a caveat. Better do something next time. Better than what you're doing now.
Mayor, Philippines is tagged as the most dangerous country for South Koreans. Do you think it is applicable here?
You know, that's too sweeping. I can assure China and Korea that we extend the same protection to our citizens. Pareho lang. Everybody will be protected. Maybe some other places, yung mga kidnapping, wala naman sa awa ng Diyos, wala naman dito. And I hope it would not happen because I said mahirap yan. We'll just, you know, I have stated my piece many years ago. I won't broke any itong mga kidnapping going on. Not in my city, at least. Huwag ninyong gawain yan dito sa Dagat. Papatayin ko talaga kayo.
Mayor, malahin ako, Mayor. Ang City Council, in terms of publication, na sila gina-measure karon na pag dili daw tax-generating na ordinance, once lang i-publish as opposed to the thrice katong 3-day.
Well, that's something legal. Actually, I'm a lawyer, but itong nitty-gritty sa about publications and how a law or an ordinance would take effect, law alam ko, after publication, 15 days, something like that. Itong ordinance, they classify it into something else. Well, I cannot answer that question because I am not, I'd be frank, I'm not knowledgeable about that.
Okay. Mayor, sige. After Jensen bombing natin, order diri sa police kung sa tumbak.
Well, I happened to ride on the same plane last night. Si RD, the regional police commander. Nag-usap kami, sabi ko, well, alam na niya trabaho niya. Sabi ko, just do your, what you're supposed to do.
Pero no threat, Mayor, no, so far.
Wala kaming natanggap. Sa awa ng Diyos. Wala naman tayong kalaban. And I said, there ought to be no reason na ganitong dama because you've always been very equitable and fair in our dealings. O lahat naman dito, whether it's Muslims, the Lumad, or the Christians, we treat it equally.
Sa kanang nani sa connection sa Bangsamoro Basic Law?
I really do not know. But what's keeping it too long there, it's Congress to decide. I cannot talk for Congress.
Is there a need for the installation of more checkpoints sa city?
That is the call of the police and the military. Ang ano kasi dito, in case of, during critical times, hindi ako nakikialam. The decision of the military and the police are final.
Mayor, since na-indict na si Felonia, would you recommend na sa state witness ang tatlong respondents?
Hindi pwede, ma'am. Alam mo bakit? They are principals with direct participation. The most guilty. You cannot make a most guilty person. Sila yung pumatay eh. They are principals by direct participation. Yung nagbigay ng pera, yun ang principal by induction. According to the affidavit, it was Colonel Felonia who gave the money to them. So let Felonia answer that. I know the guy, so okay naman sana, but sabi ko, ipapasok ko na mga ganito.
Mayor, isa ka konsehal from Negros Occidental ang ni-visit para i-benchmark ang Women's Development Code sa Davao City. Yung sa'yo mong comment, ano, Mayor?
How is he supposed to do it? There or here?
Here.
I-model nila ang
Kaya nga, she's supposed to do it here. There.
There.
That is a product of, you have to consider to the ladies of the previous councils. Siya yung mga left dyan. Yung mga leftist dyan ang pasiugda na. It's a very good piece of legislation. Yun yung mga left ang niyan, who pushed for it.
Mayor, na ba kayo sa Kapalong na istorya na ba kasama?
I know that MDR POC, but wala na ba, there is no official report, either coming from the military or the police. And I know that itong mga left are interested and they've been asking me to intervene. I have to talk to the military and the police whether or not it would be the right time for me to interdict something there.
May effective way ba na ipagsulti mo na yung federalism kani sa mga bata, Mayor, na atong as a guest speaker nga isulti na itong federalism na?
Alam mo kasi, Cagayan, Davao, Mindanao, kalalaki ng binigay natin dyan sa national goal. I said the total export earnings for the country, the whole of the country is Mindanao. Kita mo naman ang dumadating lang sa atin. And you see the vast avenues, the tall inclex, nandoon sa kanila eh. And the roads there are hindi naman gamit. If we had, because I ride the motor, I rode this what was that? May motor akong ginamit yung mga gaan. And I felt that it was a good one to use it. Alam mo, ang daan sa Luzon, walay gamit. Yung ginawa noon hanggang ngayon maganda. Up north, walang gamit. Hudi pag-uba ang ilang simento nga to, way gamit. Especially that long stretch from Cagayan Valley to Abra, ikot ka, tapos to Vigan, then to Baguio. Kagaganda na, walang gamit. Dito bugbog, ang pinaka-heavy equipment, dito sa Mindanao. Agribusiness ba ito? Kaya nga sabi ko, if you really want peace in Mindanao and make it productive so that it can also augment to the ang ayaw ko lang dito ngayon because wala na tayong nireserbahan. I think government should do something about it. Yung mga lupa na tinatamin natin ng bigas, wala na eh. It's all geared for banana, pineapple, copra. In other words, they are cash crop. So pera yan, export. So hindi food crop para pagkain. We have run out of lands that can be devoted for rice, corn, staple food natin.
Mayor, when do you think is the proper time for us to change the constitution or to shift laws from presidential to federalism?
I don't know about this Congress because I said Aquino in today's newspaper is open to a second term by amendment of the Constitution. Ay, bahala na ang syudad ang Pilipino niyan because anyway, it will be given to the Filipino people for ratification. Pag ginusto ng Pilipino, okay. Ayaw nila, then that's the end of it.
If you're given a chance, Mayor, to resign.
Amending the Constitution, ask me about December.
Mayor, last Mayor. Si Sheena Duazo gipasakaan ng kaso about atong pagkasulod nila, protest nila sa SM, atong nasi Pinoy. Siya lang ang gipasakaan niya, siya lang ang na-identify.
For what crime?
Alarm and scandal.
How could be an alarm? It is not a scandal to protest. How could it be an alarm? Ma-alarma ka lang, that is not a crime. Alarm and scandal. So hindi or. It could maybe an alarm, But certainly it is not a scandal to protest, especially if it is directed against government. The citizens should be free. The citizens should be free to say something about their...
So if you were to decide, Mayor, ipapas na lang ang kaso. Dismiss na lang ang kaso.
Kung ako mag-decide, I would not do that because out of respect for the... Diyan naman kaya. But pagka-alarm and scandal, it has to be two. Alarm and scandal kasi. And or, iba yan. So, to me, it could be an alarm in the sense that they were shouting, but that's noise. It cannot ripen into something like a crime. And besides, everybody should be given a chance to, redress of grievance. If they think that they have to criticize government because the president is there, so I would give all the time for the youth to mabutit na lang yan, may nakikialam sa bayan. I'm sure the president is a forgiving man. Hindi naman nabuli niya na kinukunyan lang. Pati ako, as mayor, I would say that I understand. You cannot expect everybody to be happy with what's going on. Yung iba, kontento sila. But yung iba naman, but I do not expect the Filipinos to be in unison every time that there's an issue. There's always for and the against. That's democracy. And the essence of democracy is the right to dissent. You take away the right to dissent, there is no democracy, definitely.
Thank you, Mayor. Salamat, Mayor.